Hello students, today is date 21/4/2020, day Tuesday, subject English Grammar, class 4, book, the Grammarite book, chapter 4, page 23. Okay, let's see what is the chapter. In the last class, we were studying about degrees of comparison, right? We were reading about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. And we have studied that comparative and superlative forms of adjective can be formed in different ways. Yes, like with most adjective, what happens in positive, it is bigger, then comparative we add ear, bigger, and with superlative, biggest, right? If an adjective ends with a vowel plus y, what happens? Like gray, we add er, grey, grayer, greyest, greyest. If an adjective ends with e, okay, like large, simple, nice, just we add r, larger, large, r. For comparative we add r, larger, and for superlative we add st, largest. If an adjective ends with y, okay, see, like busy, we remove y and add ir, like busier, we remove y and add ist, busiest. Okay, if an adjective ends with a single consonant like hot, thin, then what happened? The consonant becomes double and we add er, like hot, hot, we add hotter, hotter, and double the consonant and add est, like hottest, hottest. See, if an adjective ends with a single consonant, what happens? When the adjective ends with a single consonant, we double the consonant and we add er. In comparative and superlative, we double the consonant and we add est. Like, see, thin, thin double in ear, thinner, I double in est, thinnest. Okay. So in this way we have studied in the last class. So today we're going to complete it. See, if an adjective has more than two syllables, okay, if an adjective has two more syllables, like beautiful and more, we add more beautiful and most beautiful, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, if an adjective has more than two syllables, see, beautiful, so what we add? We add more. In comparative we add more beautiful, and in superlative we add most beautiful, like difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, and some adjectives do not follow any pattern. Yeah, some adjectives are there, they don't follow any pattern, like good, much or many, old, little, far, bad. See, for good, what is superlative? Better, and comparative is better and superlative is best. Okay, much or many, for much or many, comparative is more and superlative is most. Old, old, older or elder, that is your comparative, and oldest, eldest, that is your superlative. Little, less, least. Far, further, farthest, furthest. Bad, worse, worse. So see, in some adjectives we don't follow any pattern, we just their comparative and superlative gets completely changed from their positive this from their positive degree. Okay, so remember, in a sentence, when using the comparative degree of the adjective, then is used after it. Similarly, when using the superlative degree of the adjective, the is used before the adjective. Here, it's been said here, in a sentence, when using the comparative degree, when we use the comparative degree, we use than, than. Okay, than is used when we use the comparative degree of the adjective. Okay, and we use when using the superlative degree of the adjective, the is used before the adjective. Okay, see here, in comparative degree we use than after the adjective. Okay, and in superlative we use the before the adjective. Got it? So this is a basic thing, try to understand, remember. Okay, choose the correct adjective to complete each sentence. Farid is quite talkative, but Hari is even dash than Farid. More talkative, most talkative. Farid is quite talkative, but Hari is even more talkative, because than Farid. No, you are getting a comparative degree, than. Number 2. Can you see dash star in the sky? Can you see these stars in the sky? Can you see that star in the sky? Yeah, that. Can you see that star in the sky? My sister has the dash voice. More wonderful, most wonderful. My sister has the most wonderful voice. The sky is covered with white clouds. I want to buy this book. THI is this. Oh, Sorry, I want to buy this book, THEAC, this. I left the class late. I was the dash one to leave. I was the last one to leave. LST, last. Okay. So in this way, you have to choose the correct adjective from the bracket and fill in the blanks. So this will be your homework. Okay. Let's crack it A. Okay. Before doing this, I just want you to read this chapter. Okay. You go through the chapter properly. You just try to understand. Okay. This comparative and superlative degree. Okay, you just try to understand degrees of comparison. If you don't understand, you ask me, I'll explain it. First you try to understand these degrees of comparison, then you try to solve this. Okay, you will solve A. Got it? Okay, this is your homework. Thank you, class.